We got women, we got kids, we got daughters.
In the meantime, they don't want to fly. They want the, you know, your friends off the.
And do that. I promise to God,
all right.
If we did,
you know we haven't done
if we did anything,
right,
we ain't gonna let y'all pull up. We gonna leave. We ain't did shit. That's why we still here.
Listen. Did you get a hold of the broker?
He said he got a hold of his manager.
So what the broker say?
The broker said we can't get the money back. But I'm like, he can't even tell the broker what we did wrong. We ain't did nothing. Right. He told my friend he couldn't fly. He got right off the plane. Did he get right off the plane? I recorded him.
All right, listen.
I recorded him saying it.
Under no, I'm trying to talk to the guy, see if he can fly. Under no circumstances he can fly. That's the same way. If you get on a cab and the cab says get out my cab.
No, that ain't the same.
All right.
Because of the
we'll go ahead. We'll document everything for you.
We still got a show with fans.
You got
a sold out show.
You got to contact the airplane broker to get you on another
There's
flight.
no doubt you're in a pickle. There's no doubt you're in a jam right now. We're trying to do the best we can to get them to do it, but we can't bend their arms.
If he's not going to fly, you need to contact whoever hired him. Hey, get me another plane. Because right now, you're sitting tight, huffing and puffing in there when you need to get to New York.
Right.
Right?
I said sorry to this man a million times. I said, bro, I'm sorry, and I don't even know what the hell we did. We ain't did nothing. I'm super sorry. I told him I'd give him 10 extra grand.
We can't force him to fly the plane, man.
For me, everything's a business, right? Everything is money.
Right.
I'll be like, all right, your boys are prepared, right? Let's go.
I told him. I said, hey, we'll give you 10 extra grand.
I can't make
fly.
you do something you don't want to do when it's your show, right?
I understand that.
Listen,
but why the fuck do we got to miss a show just like? Is it because we black?
You don't got
because
we just got to
contact the broker and get another plane.
Get another plane quick. What's your first name, sir?
Jeffrey Williams.
Jeffrey, my name's Mike. Listen, at the end of the day, we're just trying to hear. We're peacemakers right here. You know, we're trying to be like the middleman.
Me too.
What I recommend.
We not on no bullshit.
Right. Listen.
We real deal businessmen. We got a real show.
They want your friends off the plane. You guys have a shuttle here. Listen, at the end of the day, you guys have money to get a good legal attorney involved, right? True or not true?
Yes.
This is all going to be documented. I got his name as the pilot that's refusing to fly. We got the company's name. We're going to put your information as the person representing the group on the report. And you told me how much it was.
Yes.
If you guys pay for this charter, it's going to be in the report. And the reason they don't want to fly for X and Y reason. You take with that, it's going to be civil. But you can legally go after them. You owe me this. Now you guys, I will delay for a show. It's going to cost me this. You understand? Because it's not just this. It's everything else. The penalties and damages that come with it. You're late for a show. Your people are here. You got to pay for to hang out in a shuttle. Or if you go to a hotel tonight. You know what I'm saying? Right. Somebody got to pay for all that shit. Right? So, I'm just trying to tell you, man.
I'm just furious because
yes, bro. It's frustrating. It's frustrating.
I never did. I fly plane. I've been flying private planes for like 7 years.
Let's talk to your boys. Explain to them
he
what's
was
going
standing
on.
at the front of the fucking steps when we got here. Where's ID? He got 50 bags in the hand. I'm like, let me just see the bags on the plane. I'm gonna give you my ID. No, give me the ID now. Nigga, you want me to drop the bags and give you the ID? Like, it's just from the first moment.
The moment you guys got here.
The moment we got here. Because my friend got here first. One of my, another assistant got here first. He was the first person here. He had like 4 bags in his hand. He say, the guy made him put the bags down and give him the ID. Like, do you think a fucking, anybody just coming to get on the jet, bro? He getting on the plane. He with us. This a manager. Like, he getting on the plane. Like, let him put the bags down and then give you his ID. He's definitely not gonna disrespect you because he know it's gonna cost him if he disrespects you. Ain't nobody with me gonna disrespect nobody because I'm the one who gotta go get the money. It's my motherfucking show. It's my artist show. We the only ones gotta get on the, so nobody with us is not gonna disrespect nobody. So that's how I know it's bullshit by them saying somebody disrespect them. Everybody on the plane quiet. Ain't nobody said no words. The only words we ever said to them is, we sorry, what happened? Like, I apologize for nothing 1,000,000 times. I'm like, what I do?
But at the end of the day,
that's racism, bro. Hell, fuck no.
We'll go ahead. We'll get you the case card. Document everything. Right? But right now you're losing money by having these people sitting there. And you need to get to New York right now.
They're just frustrated, man. It's just like,
listen, I don't blame you for being frustrated.
Crazy,
I'll be
bro.
pissed off as fuck too. And that's the truth of it. I'll be frustrated too. You know?
I'm gonna go,
it's not like you guys are an American Airlines jet, you know, you guys started a private flight, you know?
I'm gonna go get him the case card.
I got all his information.
Just grab his name and I'll give him the information.
Yeah. Let's go. If you want, I can talk to the man, so...
Please.
Yeah,
tell him I'd give him any extra money.
No,
we got to get this.
Just told him, can we show you a copy that he goes, no, we need you physically there. For some people, there's a saying.
No, when he told him that, like, hey, when he couldn't produce his hard copy ID, didn't he get right off the plane and leave? Did he give you a hard time? Be honest. Because I got you recorded earlier saying it. Did he give you a hard time?
I don't remember.
Right. He didn't give him no hard time. He didn't say one word to him. He said, will my 3 bank cards and a picture of my ID work? He said, no, you got to have it physical.
Physical ID, right.
He said, okay. He said, can I get my bag? When he got his bag for him, he got right off the plane and left. Literally. We still was sitting here 30 extra minutes. Now I'm like, we eating chips and shit. We just talking. And now I'm like, now I notice the plane ain't moving. Now I tell my other colleague, I'm like, hey, tell the pilot we ready to go. My friend Ben got off the plane. We ready to ride. My colleague go, I guess he go tell them, let's go. He come back like, they said they ain't flying. I'm like, what happened?
This is your charter van, right?
Yeah.
I'll go inside with you and I'll talk to your colleagues. What's your last name, sir? Williams, right?
Yeah, Jeffrey Williams.
Hold on. A little faster for me, bro. Jeffrey. Jeffrey?
No, ERY. Jeffrey.
Date of birth, sir?
8/16/91.
What's your phone number, sir?
917. 754. 5451.
5451. And
Yeah.
give me a good address for it. Any address, right? Any address that you receive mail at.
Yeah. Give him the address. Here? Yeah.
No, any address that you can use.
This is my driver. Yeah, so you
287. What?
287. Northwest. 123. Okay. 33166.
How much is the charter flight costing?
It was like 40 grand.
40 grand? All that's going to be in the
Like
report.
47 grand or some
Let's
shit.
go inside and talk to your colleagues, man.
You can't even tell us what we did wrong. What did we do? Motherfucker.
Gentlemen, how are you? My name's Officer Severio. Hey,
EP.
y'all can just gather. So I need to
Officer P.
talk to everybody can hear me.
Let's go. Doing it. These folks trying to make a nigga get out of the goddamn plane, man. Where that pilot at, bro? Him. This man making me get out of the plane, man. That shit crazy, man. These dicks.
Oh, I'm here to protect
These bitch ass niggas. These fucking dicks. That nigga lame, man. You too. This lame, man. Nigga making me get out of the plane, bro. This nigga, bro. This nigga ain't, man. This nigga is so fucking lame, man. So fucking lame, man. You racist bastard. Fucking. Man. Hoe ass nigga. Shit lame, bro.
Hopefully you guys make it show. If anything there, you can get a copy of that report like in a couple of weeks.
Huh? My phone? Yeah. Yeah. Man, I left. Oh, man. Sucker. Sucker. My motherfucking food. Dang.
What happened? Oh, somebody disrespect one of my colleagues. I don't got to tell you that.
Where that pilot at, man? I want y'all to see this nigga face, man. Anybody flying jet, don't ever fly with this nigga, bro. Ever. This nigga ain't P. This nigga's not P, man. He ain't P either. Sucker.
It ain't on nothing.
It ain't on there?
Can you ask the pilot?
Bitch ass nigga been waiting for a nigga to get out of the plane so he can walk on now. Made 3 hours.
Why you ain't big out? When he got the plane, he supposed to turn the plane on the left. Why you haven't left when he gone? He
wasn't trying to leave.
He was gone 30 minutes.
He wasn't trying to leave.
I done forgot he gone.
He been meeting us outside the plane, but when we got here.
Right, we were just sitting there.
We gonna hold shit, man.
When I went on phone, they been gone. You still there? We still sitting here. Me and Gunna just started talking. We just talking about other shit. We done forgot that we still sitting here. Now done been 20, 30 minutes.